Alright, for today's lesson, we'll be learning how to multiply fractions. So doing it, actually multiplying fractions, is quite simple. Understanding why it works, a little bit more challenging, but an important step. So we're going to be using our idea of like how we've been doing 2/3. Let's get that in the right color. 2/3 of 18. We're going to be doing that same thing here with fractions. Because really what 2/3 of 18 is saying, if we have 18 things, I'm not going to draw out 18, I should have done like 6 or a different number. We want 2/3 of those, which would end up being 12. Same thing here. We have 2/5 of 1/3. Notice I didn't say 2/5 times 1/3. It's just 2/5 of 1/3, even though this of means multiplication. So we're going to start with our 1/3. So we'll make a diagram that shows thirds, and 1/3 is that first box here, right? Then 2/5, we're going to split it this way into fifths. 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1/3 is this filled in. When we want 2/5 of that, that means we want these 2/5 of the diagram. So ultimately, we've got 2 out of a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 2 out of 15. So 2/3 of 5, 6. So we would start by making a diagram with the 6. So 2, 3, and 5/6 of that would be like this. Then we want 2/3 of that, so we're going to split this like there, and that would be there and there. So our answer here is what overlaps, which is here. These overlap, so that is our answer, which has a 2 by 5, which is just 10. So it'd be 10 over a total of, what is that? 6, 12, 18. 10 over 18. Here it's broken out for us. So this top part, right? This is 1/6, 1/6, 1/6, 1/6. And this is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. As we see, we are looking at where do these two overlap, which is this box right here. Now, some of you might have seen or noticed like what we're actually doing here, where if we're doing 2/3 of or 2/3 times 5, 6, that's what this problem is asking us to do. If we write the answer, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 parts over a whole of 18. Now take a minute and see, can you figure out where that might come from this multiplication problem here? So if you know this, it's okay if you didn't. If we multiply 2 times 5, we get 10. If you multiply 3 times 6, you get 18. So when we multiply fractions, you just multiply it straight across. Multiplying a fraction by a whole number, so it's similar to like the 2/3 of 16, whatever those problems we've been doing. Remember, the whole number is the same as that number over 1. 4 just means you've got 4 wholes. Okay, so 4 over 1. So if we have 3 3/5 of 4. Now that's not necessarily what we've been doing because you can't take a fifth of 4 very well. You get left with a fraction, it gets all messy. So what we would do here is rewrite this as 3/5 times 4 over 1. And like we just talked about, we'll multiply straight across. So we would then have 12 on top, 5 on bottom, and we would leave our answer just like that.